In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I think about my recent beauty empties. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know I say that a lot, but also seriously, please do give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to see what products I've recently used up, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, first up is this box of sheet masks. This came with 5 sheet masks. A lot of the times, usually whenever I do use up a sheet mask, I just throw it away since it is a single use, but I thought since this was a box, I could kind of talk about them a little bit more. They just had like emphasis on 5 different things. For example, there's one for collagen, one for charcoal, one for honey, one for lavender, and one with avocado, as in like that was the emphasis of the mask. I did like these. I like using sheet masks periodically. I just got this set in particular from TJ Maxx. So I will just, obviously keep on repurchasing sheet masks in general. I do like using them occasionally on my skin. And then also the same thing with this GLAMGLOW bubble sheet mask. In the past, I feel like for almost all of the GLAMGLOW bubble sheet masks that I've used, I just haven't made a point to keep the package so I can talk about this. I do love this product. It isn't inexpensive, but sometimes you can find it in a box and it'll be cheaper obviously than buying one individually. If I remember correctly, I think one of these, if you buy it individually, is $9, which I think is a lot for a sheet mask. But I do really like this and my skin feels very clean afterwards. I think I do still have a couple more of those, thankfully, because like I said, if you just buy them individually, it's $9, but sometimes you can find them in a box. One time I found them at TJ Maxx and it was cheaper than obviously just buying them individually. And I think it was even cheaper than if you bought them at Sephora. So my mom got that and it was part of my Christmas present last year, if I remember that correctly. But I'm a big fan of the GLAMGLOW bubble sheet mask. Next up, I used up a micellar water. I like using this, sorry for shaking the camera. I like using this for removing eye makeup, and then I go in with a cleanser afterwards, or also I have some in a little squirt bottle and I use that for like whenever I mix my foundation shades. I do that on the back of my hand, so a lot of the times I will just remove it with micellar water and a cotton pad. So I like this one. I have already got a new one that I've started to use. This is just the Garnier Skin Active micellar water, and I like this and I will continue using it for purposes like I mentioned, based on the fact that I'm already using another one. I do have a couple Monat products that I used up. I have a few Monat videos. I will link at least one of them here for you. Monat is the main hair product that I use on my hair. Like I do have a different hairspray that I'm using right now, but I did order a Monat one. But I've been using Monat for over a year and a half now, and I think it has really contributed to the health of my hair. And I used up the Volumizing Revive shampoo, and I've also used up the Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo. I have ordered another dry shampoo and I've already started using another one of these shampoos. So if that kind of shows you what I think about those products. Next up, I was very sad to use this up. This is the Ahava Purifying Mud Mask. This is the second one that I have used up. A lot of the times with skincare, I feel like my review is I like it, but I'll continue to try different things because I do really like trying different skincare in general. But this is one in particular that I will want to repurchase at some point just because I do like this mask. I think that it does help. I do get acne still periodically, and I do have like oily skin, and I think it just does a good job with purifying my skin, as it says in the title. And I do really like this, and I was very sad that I used it up. But like I said, I do plan on getting that in the future. Next up, I used up the Body Shop Shea shower cream. If this is your first video here, you might not know that this is like one of my all-time favorite scents, especially the body butter by the Body Shop. Specifically, the Body Shop Shea body butter is like one of my favorite beauty items. I feel like, it's definitely like one of my favorite body creams, lotions, and I haven't had it in a very long time and I'm very sad. Maybe I will get one for Christmas or something like that because it seriously smells so good and it's just such a moisturizing body cream, and I'm a very big fan of that, but that is not what we're talking about here. We're talking about the shower gel, which does obviously, also the Shea scent, and I did like this, and I have another one that I'm using right now as well. The same, you know, the Body Shop Shea body cream. Is that shower cream? That's the name of that. So I'm using another one of those as well. I used up this Gradual Sunless Tan Lotion by Australian Gold. I got this on clearance at TJ Maxx. It's been a little while since I've used this up. I didn't dislike it, but it wasn't my favorite tanning product that I can remember. Tanning products is another thing, kind of like skincare. I like trying different tanning products. So I don't know if I would buy this in the future. I feel like it was only like $3. So for $3, I might, because I don't think it gave me like an orange, like a really unnatural look. But it just also wasn't my favorite tanning product. Sorry that that's not a very like definite answer. But like I said, it's also been a little while since I've used that up. Next up, I used up a body scrub, and I need another body scrub because I did not exfoliate my skin before applying self-tanner, and I haven't been recently, and especially this past time, I feel like it really showed, so I need another exfoliator. I did like this. I don't think I would repurchase this in the future because it was a very, very sweet scent from what I remember, but maybe like this brand, but a different scent, or I don't know. I'm not totally sold on like one body exfoliator, but I did use that up. Hey, I had to clear up some space on my phone. I still use my phone to make my videos. But anyway, I had to clear up some space because I ran out of storage. So hopefully I have enough storage to finish filming this video. So the next product is this Coola face sunscreen. I did like the fact that it was a sunscreen, but I didn't love the scent. I feel like I kind of somewhat got used to it over time, but it is white tea, so I guess that's the scent. But it's SPF 50, so like that's good, but I didn't love the scent, so for that I probably would not get this in the future. And then next, I used up another skincare product. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. I was able to get this on sale. Actually, I think a friend picked this up for me, pretty sure, but then I got it on like a big sale because, you know, Dr. Brandt isn't super inexpensive. I did like this cleanser, but I also will continue to use different cleansers. Same thing with skincare, you know. This was good, I thought, but I definitely wouldn't pay full price for it. Rather, I guess it's kind of like what I'm trying to say. Next up, I used up a makeup product, but I mostly used this up because unfortunately it kept on breaking on me, and I think I might have just like twisted the product up too high. Maybe that was the issue, and it just kind of snapped off because it's one of those twist up ones rather than the one you sharpen. But this is a Tarte lip pencil. It was in the shade Latergram. From what I remember, I did like the color, but unfortunately I guess I just feel like I didn't use that up as much as I could have, since unfortunately it did break on me sometimes. I have another makeup product to mention. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. If you watched my haul video, which if you haven't seen it, I will link it for you. I also show you what this dress looks like in the haul video as well. Make sure you check out that video. I did recently repurchase a full size of this because I was able to get it on sale, thankfully, because this is one of my favorite mascaras. So I am happy that I do have another one of these. Next up, I used up the how do we pronounce this? This is the Coco Cabana cream. I got this and then the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. The little like set, the Bum Bum cream is the same size as this, as my birthday present this year from Sephora. I did like the scent of this, but I'm not going to purchase it, probably, at least not full size, but also because you know how I feel about the Body Shop Shea body butter. Like, that is seriously like one of my all-time favorite body cream, body butter products. So if I am going to get one that isn't super inexpensive, I'm probably going to get the body butter one. But this was nice, and I am glad that I got it for free for my birthday. Next up, another sad thing that I was very sad to use up, that I do want to get another one of these eventually as well. This is the GLAMGLOW SUPERMUD clearing treatment. So GLAMGLOW is not an inexpensive brand, but I did also really like this skincare mask. So definitely, if I can find it on sale. I think I got this, it came in like a set with like a bubble sheet mask and then a couple other things. And I got this set for a pretty good deal last year around Black Friday time. So that is how I got this, and I was really, really happy about it. But unfortunately it is gone, and I want to repurchase it again in the future if I can find it on sale. That would be great. Next up, I used lip balm. This is Burt's Bees. I think that this is just like the original. Well, this is vitamin E and peppermint. I liked it. I will probably get it in the future. Kind of all, it is just lip balm. That's kind of all I have to say about that. I have another skincare product that I used up. This is the Kora Organics face oil. I think I got this with my Sephora points. I do think that it kind of gave my skin a glow, but I don't know if I noticed it enough. But I do also have other serums that I would probably use instead. I don't know if I would buy a full size of this, but I did like, you know, having that my points go towards a skincare product. And then I have this mask that I used up as well that I did like, but once again with skincare, I don't know if I loved this one enough to buy a full size of this, but I did like that I got a little sample size of this. Oh, and since I didn't say the name of it, this is the Formula 10, I don't know how you pronounce this brand, but it's Formula 10.0.6. however you say that, and this is the Keep Your Cool Skin Calming Gel Mask. If you liked this video, I think you'll also like that haul video that I was referencing. I will link it right here for you guys. Once again, please do give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out and I would really, really appreciate it. If you liked this video, that is. Once again, feel free to stick around and subscribe. I upload beauty videos. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in my next video.